Looking to declutter your Google Sheets view by hiding some columns? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to hide columns in Google Sheets, making your spreadsheet easier to navigate. Let's clean up that workspace. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Navigate to the Google Sheets document where you want to hide columns. Step 2. Select columns. Click on the letter at the top of the column you wish to hide. To hide multiple columns, click and drag to select them. Step 3. Hide the columns. Right-click on the selected columns and choose Hide Column from the context menu. Step 4. Unhide columns. Optional. To unhide, look for the arrows that appear in the column headers where your columns are hidden. Click on these arrows to reveal your columns again, and just like that, your columns are out of sight. If this tutorial helped you streamline your spreadsheet view, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Sheets tricks.